exciting moment. I just made my first lip balm. I've always shied away from making products like this because I just thought it was all too hard or too complicated, or I didn't want to mess it up. Can I tell you how easy this is? So you just need a bit of shea butter, a bit of grapeseed oil, a little bit of coconut oil, and then some beeswax. So the little beeswax pellets, the little yellow pellets, you can order them online. And all you need to do is get a glass bowl and you put all the ingredients in, sit it over some simmering water, and then it'll all just melt together beautifully. Then you remove it from the heat and mix in 6 drops of whatever essential oil you'd like your lip balm to smell like or taste like. I used sweet orange in mine, which gives it a beautiful scent, and it's also nourishing for the lips. You can add a little bit of vitamin E oil if you have some as well, or if you want to have a little bit of extra nourishment. And then you just pour it in a container and you're done. It's honestly as easy as that. Chuck everything in a bowl, melt it together, pour it out, finished. 100% natural, no chemicals. I've used a lot of lip balms in my time and I've tried all the natural ones, and they tend to either dry my lips out, or they taste funny, or I read the ingredients and there's just a list of things I can't pronounce, which I don't want to be putting anywhere near my mouth and swallowing and ingesting into my body. This is, it tastes lovely, it smells lovely, it's really been amazing on my lips, like it feels fantastic. Can't recommend it highly enough. Give it a go, it's really honestly worth it to make your own. And as I say, I'll put the recipe on my website, on my blog, so have a look on the blog, check out the recipe, give it a go, and as always, let me know if you have any questions.